Dehumidifier. Time to open. Second pipe. No. And I will have so much fun with that. Cables, I don't need them too. Oh, a problem. They are pink. She works, so only coolant run away. So that will be one. Always, when you see something like that in trash can, take that. You can use that pump as no śrubka. Screw fight back. Fucking screw. Pump can be as a pump, air pump for tires. That is one. All smart compressor. Fuck. Who needs screwdrivers, or you need to use brutal force? Okay. One part. And empty. There are two. Good. Better. Much better than I think. I have two of them. Okay, you go where? Where you fucker go? Get those parts. This is for engine. Engine need that. So those parts are in one spot. That one is part of that. Need to be the same spot. That will be useful. Again and again and again. Switch. Trash. Mitsubishi. That will be very useful. I need to seal that, or I will have oil everywhere. If I need small compressor, I have one. I need small pump, I have one. Win-win. I need only to seal that. I cannot use water on that. Those holes are too small. Yes, small. They are too small. But I can't use one and two, but I can use isopropanol or alcohol. Or I will make from one distillator. On second one I will make cooling tower without moving parts that will use alcohol for cooling stuff. I don't know, amp, PC. there is part from thermostat here. I have thermostat, I have that part. I was thinking that they now better that they seal that part here, but I can't. It's free.